students, we're going to continue with our talk here in Vedic Mathematics. We're now on part 4, and this is going to be quite a short video for everyone. So this is a special case multiplication. In the previous video, we're just done with the subtraction, the general case subtraction, and we're going to enter now with the same concept, similar concept rather, with that 1, and then we're going to apply that with the multiplication by 9's. So special methods play a large role to encourage mental mathematics. So we will be using the sutras Ikanya na Pulvera. So that is in English by 1 less than the one before. And we're going to make use of our favorite Nikalam Navatskaram Dasata. That is your all from 9 and the last from 10. So in this short section, what we are going to do is we're going to learn special strategies to multiply when a digit has a factor of 9 or 99 or 999 or 4 9s and etc. So we're going to deal with that here. So let's have an example here. So we have 763 times 999. So this is the case when we have the number of digits of the number of 9's is equal to the number of digits of the other factor. So we're going to apply again the one by the one less than the one before, and then our Nikalam Sutra, all from 9 to the last from 10. So the steps is going to be like this. So since they're of the same number, what we're going to do is to type or to write here 763 first, and then right after that we're going to minus 1 by 1 less than the one before. So we're going to minus 1 here, so that becomes 762, and then all from 9 to the last from 10, since we're doing 99. So all from 9 to the last from 10 here, so we have all from 9, so we have starting from 7 here, so we have 2, 3, and the last from 10, 7. So that's our answer. Okay, so 763 times 999 is 762,237. I'll explain why this works in a while. Another example. So we have 1,867 times 5 9's. Okay, so since there are 5 9's, what we're going to do is we're going to improvise in this part here, and we're going to imagine that we have 0, 1, 8, 6, 7. So we multiply that by 99999. And what are we going to do? First by 1 less than the one before. So what we have is 1, 8, 6, 6. And then all from 9 and the last from 10, starting from 0. So what we have is 9, 8, 1. We have 3, and the last from 10, which is 3. So 1,867 times 99,999 is, what is this? It's 186,698,133. So that's our answer for this multiplication. So it's a special case. Why did this happen? Imagine this first example here. So we have 763 times 999. So it's much easier to multiply this, but we need to add 1 in this factor of 99. So imagine adding 1 here. So what we have is 1,000. So we multiply first 763 by 1,000, and we're going to get 763 from that product of 763 times 1,000. So therefore, what we have is this. So the essence is what we're doing is what we have is 763. We multiply that by 1,000, and then we take away 1763 from the product. So by doing this method, what we have is 763, and we have 3 zeros after, and we're going to deduct 763 rather, and then that is by our Nikalam Sutra. So what we have is 7, 6, 2, all from 9 to the last from 10, 2, 3, 7. Hence we have this answer. So that's our proof for that answer. Okay, so let's have more examples, shall we? Here. So 124 times 9,999. So how do we have, well, how do we have that? So since we have 4 9s here and we have only 3 digits here, so we're going to improvise. We're going to put it as 0, 1, 2, 4. So by one less than the one before, we're going to make use of some sutras. This becomes 1, 2, 3. And then all from 9 to the last from 10, we start with 0. So we have 9, 8, 7, last from 10, 6. So what we have is 1, 2, 3, 9, 8, 7, 6, or 1,239,876. Okay. Next example, so we have 778 times 999. So since they are the same, what do we have is by one less than the one before, what we have is 7, 7, 7. And then all from 9 to the last from 10 from the 778. What do we have? 2, 2, last from 10, 2. So that's our answer. 777,222. Okay, so that's pretty much how you do the special case every time you multiply with a bunch of 9s. Okay, so I think it's your turn to shine. I have here some exercise, and you're going to answer this in 30 seconds. So multiply the following. First, we have 8,989 times 99999. Number two, 7,654 times 9,999. Number three, 4,445 times 9,999. So I'm going to give you 30 seconds. You can pause the video if you want. Okay, hopefully you're done with number one right now. Okay, starting with number two, in the middle of number two, I suppose. Okay, you should be in number three. Okay, the middle of number three, you're finishing number three, two, one, and voila. These are the answers. Okay, do you also have this same answers? Hopefully. So let's try to check them if they are indeed correct. So we have 8989. So we have 5 9s, by the way. So we're going to improvise here. This becomes 08989. What we're going to do is we are going to um by one less than the one before, 8988, and then all from 9 in the last from 10, starting with a 0, 9 1 0 1, last from 10 1. So what we have is 8988 9101. Sorry, this is 1 1. So pretty much the same here. Number two, the number of digits is equal to the number of 9, so therefore we do it as it is. 7654. So by one less than the one before, 7653. And then what do you call that? But the Nikalom Sutra, all from and the last from 10. So what we have is, so this is 3, sorry. This is 3. So what we have is 2, 3, 4, last from 10, 6. So that's the same. 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 6, right? Lastly, the number of digits here is that equal to the number of 9s. Hence, what we have is we're going to stick with 4, 4, 4, 5. And then by one less than the one before, 4, 4, 4, 5 will become 4, 4, 4, 4. All right. And then the Nikalom Sutra, apply the Nikalom Sutra here. Sorry, that's 4. All from 9 to the last from 10. So this becomes 5. This becomes 5. The next one becomes 5. Last from 10, so that becomes 5. So pretty much we have 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5 for our answer in number 3. Okay, so that's our video for the fourth part in the talk in the second Brother Dartez Math Lecture Series in the Vedic Maths Essentials. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you'd like and subscribe, and see you soon for the next parts. So thank you.